Peter and Rosemary Grant are husband and wife British evolutionary biologists. Peter Grant was born in 1936 and attended University of Cambridge and received a PhD in zoology from the University of British Columbia in Canada. Barbara Rosemary Grant was born in 1936 in Arnside, England. She received a degree in zoology from the University of Edinburgh and later a PhD in evolutionary biology from Uppsala University. They are currently professors emeritus at Princeton University. Their work is almost a continuation of Darwin's work, as they studied finches in the Galapagos Islands. Together they have won many awards, including the Leidy Award, the Loy and Alden Miller Research Award, and the Balzan Prize for Population Biology. They are also both Fellows of the Royal Society. The Grants studied several finch species' bill length and diet in Daphne Major, Galapagos Islands. Intending to study the passerines for only 2 years, the couple ended up spending 39 years, from 1973 to 2012, researching on the island. One exceptionally dry rainy season in 1977 led seed-bearing plants to become scarce, forcing the finches to find alternative food sources. The small, soft seeds were quickly eaten, leaving only big, hard seeds. As a result, many of the finch species with smaller, weaker beaks struggled to find food and died. According to the Grants' finding, the finch population in the year after the drought had significantly longer beaks than the previous birds. The phenomenon led the Grants to discover that, contrary to Darwin's thoughts, evolution by natural selection can happen rapidly, in a matter of years, as opposed to millennia. Several years later, the opposite happened. This rainy season was exceptionally rainy, and so there was an abundance of small, soft seeds, favoring the finches with small beaks in the following year's dry season, because they could eat the seeds before the bigger-billed finches could reach them. This reversal showed the Grants that selection can change over time, as one rainy season, large beaks were selected for, and another, small beaks were selected for. They published a paper describing this occurrence as the directional oscillation of selection, which explains why the finch species were morphologically different at the end of this study when compared to the beginning of the study. I chose Peter and Rosemary Grant because they combined ornithology, which is the study of birds, and ecology. If it isn't clear yet, I like birds a lot. I enjoy taking pictures and videos of them, and their behavior and morphology fascinates me. Essentially, I chose the Grants because we share a passion for birds.